As a consequence of these vigorous engagements, and as cultured people with a tradition of respect for our national values, leaders and elders, we are today pleased to announce the immediate suspension of the relocation clause, otherwise referred to as the quit notice from the Kaduna Declaration. This suspension, we are proud to say, is also out of respect for and reaffirmation of our allegiance to one united, peaceful, and prosperous Nigeria, and in our unshaken confidence in the political will and sincere commitment of our dear President Muhammadu Buhari to take a holistic look at all the concerns we raised. We are also pleased to announce here that the Kaduna Declaration has achieved most of its major objectives, chief among which include forcing the hitherto deliberately neglected dangerous Biafran issue to the front burner of the nation's discussion agenda. In the meantime, we shall firmly pursue our petitions to the United Nations and the Nigerian federal authorities calling for the appropriate sanction of Nnamdi Kanu, other IPOB leaders, and their sponsors, in addition to labeling them a terror outfit.
Issue is born out of the position of my colleagues in the Northern Governors Forum. I am acting based on a mandate given to me by my colleagues. And we are here principally as a pressure group to support the reverse position taken by the coalition of Arewa groups. We are here to politely but meticulously ensure that this press conference holds as planned, and to politely monitor and ensure that the quit notice was publicly withdrawn the same way it was publicly declared in June.
Today, I think, is an opening of understanding our problems. If we have never discussed this, I think we wouldn't have reached what we are supposed to reach. The level of investment of the Igbos in northern Nigeria is extremely high. We are two classes of nomadics. We have nomadic Fulanis and we have nomadic Igbos. Everywhere in any constituency in northern Nigeria, you find an Igbo trader there. And we've been living together for years. I don't see any reason why we should now look for this kind of agitation. And the southwest of this country, the southeast, the north central, and the south-south, and the northwest, and the northeast, we should live together as one Nigeria. And that's what will make us great. And we maintain the population and the size. Thank you very much.
It's that Nigeria is capable of solving its problems through dialogue and through peaceful negotiations amongst the contending groups. So it means that once more, Nigeria is peaceful. Once more, we have crossed another incident which the people think will affect us negatively, and we are turning it, and it's now affecting us positively. I think we are more united after this withdrawal than we were even before the quit notice, and that is a beautiful thing.
Any hope that the other
whether suspension or whatever you call it, I think at least the tension has been calmed. At the same time, I am a member of the committee set up to resolve this matter. That is 5 from them, 5 from the Igbo leaders in the north. That is Igbo Delegate Assembly. And at the same time, the most important thing is that at least people can now have rest of mind.
Now they raise the issue of